You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dish, Spanish stuffed potato bowls. We'll be looking at how to say more food names from Spain in Spanish as well. Stay tuned to the channel. Papas rellenas, papas rellenas, papas rellenas, or in South America, papas rellenas or rellenas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.